Hey guys, so today I made the Hydra Stomper from Marvel What If Episode 1. I've been working on this for a while. It's really similar to the Ironmonger, which I did make an improved version of that I will upload once a certain piece comes in for him. But I think he looks really good. I also got the new Disney Plus CMF series, Peggy, with the really good shield, and Red Skull from the actual Hydra Stomper set. Same as Steve, and you can see I can still pull this down and kill everyone. But pretty much, there we go. We have Steve. And of course, I wanted to give him a green helmet, so I chose the Scuba Diver Iron Man helmet, because that fits really well. I wish it wasn't gold, but this is as good as it can be. And I think it turned out really well. I also used the fencing sword, and you can see he has the jetpack thing, because I wanted to take some components from the actual set. For some reason, this foot keeps falling off, but I think he looks really cool, and the figure's really completed. So, soon, when that piece comes in, I'll have a new video for you guys with a modified and improved version of the Ironmonger, and also Whiplash from Iron Man 2, who I used a lot of the pieces from the CMF series to create. And I used the posing piece for the whips, and I think it looks really cool. So make sure to like and subscribe, and if you want to see that, make sure to subscribe so you can see it when it comes out. Okay, thanks for watching.